I gotta tell you, sometimes I have the nicest subscribers.
You are so blessed.
I am truly blessed. All except for one. And you know who that is. I'm kidding. Anyway, somebody sent me these. Abel, thank you very much. I'm going to read this to you. It says, Brad, because you are so spectacularly handsome, I had these made for you. Thanks. Thanks very much, Abel. Oh, maybe I misread that. I might have misread that.
Yeah, you need to get better glasses or something.
Or a mirror.
Yeah, and thank you so much.
And
I never get a surprise. Well, that's not true. Every morning I wake up, it's a surprise. So.
Again?
Again? Oh, no. The Lord didn't come get me last night.
Thank you, Abel.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
And
That's
look,
pretty
I've got
cool.
sparkles
You
on
got the
mine.
sparkly one.
Yeah.
See, if I had the sparkly one, I'd have to walk funny and tie my shirt up in a knot above my belly button. And
Oh, Lord.
oh, I got some more good news. They kicked me out of academy. I put these shoes on and I had a toegasm, and they said, "Sir, you're going to have to leave."
Got new shoes.
Yep. And I'm going to go ahead. I bought 2 pairs, and one's for walking, and the others I'm going to wear in my shop because my feet hurt all the time, and I got a feeling it's these cheap
You
shoes.
got that wrong. One
Yeah.
of them's to wear all the time.
All the
and
time.
The other one's to wear
Oh, to the doctor. That's
to
right.
the doctor.
My doctor
'Cause
shoes.
That's all we ever go is to
Right.
the doctor.
Or
and,
Walmart.
or Walmart. You don't even have to wear your good ones to Walmart.
Okay.
You
So one of these is for doctors only. So
doctors
I'll see which one I like best, and those will be my all-the-time shoes.
you're,
Thanks, Abel. I appreciate it very much.
You're filling everybody. Oh, turn it off.
Oh, I haven't turned it off yet.
I
What'd
said
you
you're
say?
filling in everybody on your daily activities
I am.
and what you got. And,
Yeah. I did unboxing.
yeah.
Okay. Have a good Sunday, y'all. Man, good things just keep happening today. My feet are happier than they've ever been. There's my mug right there. I'm fixing to go put coffee in it right now. I got 16 feet of steel and 4-foot sections, and I got all my wood in. And, today is Saturday, and probably all I'm going to do today is finish up Nick's knife. And then tomorrow I'm going into the leather shop here and start making 4 sheaths. So let me get all this wood and metal inside. Between the wood and the steel, that's what I have spent. I'm going to have to sell a lot of knives. Got a lot of work ahead of me to cut that wood up into handle-sized pieces. And I'm going to label it because I tend to forget what kind of wood it is. Oh, somebody asked me about some wood I've got in here. Where was it? Right here. Okay. They wanted to know about the one beside this 2133. So let me show you some of my wood. Now, these 3 pieces are just for the Texas Rumble because they're big enough. Let me see. Is this... I don't think that one's big enough. It has to be a minimum of 2 inches thick. This one is. That one will fit the Texas Rumble. That one will. That's burled maple, stabilized burled maple. That one will not. That's beautiful, beautiful wood. I forget what kind it is. But I made Phil... what is his name? Let's call him Phil. He bought a knife, and that's what that wood was on his handle. I think that's curly maple, bird's eye curly maple. All right, here we go. Here's the one people were asking me about. This is burled maple with a synthetic resin. It's called a hybrid. I haven't. Oh yeah, I have made a. I made a BC special, and it was actually it was half. The line went this way. The bottom half was burled maple, or it might have been the top half. But anyway, half was a red synthetic, and the bottom was burled maple like this. Except instead of going this way, it went this way. Oh, jeez. Sorry. And that's burled maple with synthetic. And that is about $70 worth of wood right there. I mean, just this one. That's why Alrighty then. You fell on my brand new sneakers. That's probably about $350 worth of wood right there you're looking at. I'm only telling you this because I may have to go up on my knives. I'll tell you what, I'm just barely making enough to keep myself, to resupply myself, you know. And, it is a hobby. I didn't expect to turn this into a business, but anyway, I may eventually have to go up on my knives just to cover the costs, which are enormous. Just my sandpaper, look at here. I mean, I gotta have all that too. Okay, let me get to work. I'm gonna put stuff away, get my cup of coffee in my brand new snazzy cup. Thanks again, Abel. And then I'm gonna get to sanding on Nick's knife, and that's gonna be it for me today. Easy for you, man. I must have bit my tongue or something. What happened? I can't talk. It's these sneakers. They're so comfortable, they make me want to just fall asleep right where I'm sitting. Okay, see ya. All right, I'm going to get the party started here, but I have been remiss. Another friend of mine sent me something. Robb's Homemade Life down in the Miami area sent me I'm calling it a burger maker, but he puts, different stuff in it. Basically, it's a homemade burger press, and he's made Spam burgers with vegetables in it and stuff like that, which is sacrilege. But anyway, I am going to use it, and I intended to thank him in a video when I make hamburger patties, but I haven't got around to making hamburger patties, and even now, all my hamburger is in the freezer, frozen solid. So I'm going to thank Robb now. Thank you, Robb, for making that for me. That was awful nice of you. And I will use it as soon as I get some hamburger thawed out. All right, let me get my gloves on and get to sanding. All right, Nick, we are sanded up to 1500. And I'm fixing to go put this on the buffer. I love this point right here, where let me turn these lights off, where it is sanded up as high as I'm going to sand it, and then right before the buffer, because it's such a huge difference. I'm really anxious to get in there. All right, let me pull all the tape off, and then go put this on the buffer, and I'll show you what this looks like when I'm done buffing it. Well, something terrible has happened. I've decided I'm not going to sell this knife. I'm kidding. Boy, did that come out nice. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. And I'll tell you, Nick, I was a little hesitant to put the red liners in there. You said you wanted red, and it does look good. I like it. Good choice. I'm going to take this home and show my wife. I don't expect people to ooh and ah over my blades very often, but this is probably the nicest one I've made so far. This is $335 if anybody's interested. And the sheath, you can pretty much tell me what you want in the sheath, and I'll make it happen. Still got some wax on it. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I like that. I hope I don't trip and fall or someone doesn't break in and steal it, because now I'll bring it home. I'm going to bring this home. Boy, I just can't stop looking at it. Sorry. Huh. Okay. I can't wait to upload this. See you tomorrow. Well, when you see this, it will be tomorrow, so have a wonderful Sunday.